Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is our Mavic Mini, the everyday fly cam. Fly as you are. Open your sky. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion. It captures your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. It's 249 grams ultralight, 4 kilogram HD video 4 kilometer HD video transmission, free access gimbal, 2.7K camera, 30-minute max flight time. It has a vision sensor, GPS precise hover, and it's also simplified for recording and editing. There are many reasons why to fly, but the important thing is when you can fly, when you can capture those moments from the top, why not to do that? Mavic Mini lets me capture some of our most cherished family moments from an amazing new perspective. Since it's almost as light as a smartphone, it only weighs under 250 grams. It's almost as an average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable to the places that the lowest and safest weight class of drones. It also can go to many countries, but which in many countries may expand it from certain regulations. So you can see everything from the top really easily and take pictures of it. Wireless flight more. So Mavic Mini comes equipped with a 360 propellor guard that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Thanks to advanced sensors, Mavic Mini can also hover precisely. Gets good fast. So the new DJI Fly app offers a simple and innovative user experience. It enables you to create a cinematic shots with just few taps. It even has a flight tutorial, a feature to help you get started with the Mavic Mini quickly and safely, and you don't have to worry about anything because the guide will tell you everything. Let the app do the work. So with the DJI Fly app, it offers a variety of creator templates, generates awesome videos with just one tap. It makes editing so much easy, and you can turn every single moment to a moment that you can share it in social media and seems like you've been editing for hours. Create smooth vivid shots. Transform any moment into a work of art. Mavic Mini supports 12 MP aerial photos and a 2.7K Quad HD videos. A free access motorized gimbal provides a superior camera stability and also ensures clear, ultra smooth footage. See what your Mavic Mini sees. So with the dedicated remote control, it maintains an HD video feed at a distance up to 4 kilometers. It's detachable control stick that can be easily stored inside the remote controller for added privacy. It has less charging and more flying. With the Mavic Mini Bite, it allows you to stay in the air longer than similar consumer fly cams on the market. You can also enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Complex shots are easier than ever. Shots that look like they come from a Hollywood film set are just a few taps away with Mavic Mini's quick shot modes. It includes drones, circle, helix, rocket, and you can just select your quick shot, and Mavic Mini will execute an elaborate present motion while recording. It takes the automatically generated short video and it also shares it instantly with friends on social media. A smooth motion for cinematic footage. A slow down Mavic Mini's flight speed and movement for an added layer of precision and stability. This mode is especially useful when flying in narrow or complex spaces. So you're going to slow down its flight speed and movement for an added layer of precision and stability. Also, it can be useful for flying anywhere you want in small places. Find scenic shooting locations near you. With the DJI Fly app, it gives user integrated access to the Sky Pixel, the social media platform for the users to share their area photos and videos. So that when you browse work, you can share your own, discover popular places and areas that can take these kinds of photos from. It has a two-way charging hub. So with a two-way charging hub, you can charge up to 3 batteries in sequence. It can also be used in store and transport batteries, and even as a power bank to charge your mobile device. DJI Mini Bag. With a pack Mavic Mini and other small items like the Osmo Action and the Osmo Pocket easily with a signature bag designed for everyday use. With a DJI Creative Kit, you can make your flycam truly yours, and it can include shell stickers, colorful markers, everything you need. With a snap adapter, you can personalize your Mavic Mini with a wide range of compatible accessories when you use the snap adapter. It also has a charging base, so you can show off your Mavic Mini while charging it. It's convenient charging base. With a proper holder, the lightweight rubber holder protects your flycam from being damaged in transportation. So it can also be used to fasten your Mavic Mini onto your bag. Please make sure to go and check out other videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice night. Bye.